everybody. In this video, we're going to continue looking at enVision to Algebra 2, Lesson 4. We're looking at example 4 here, and we're looking at subtraction, which is the same as addition, except there's one little key difference, and that's you have to distribute that -1 from the subtraction onto the polynomial that it's being subtracted. So let's grab this. I like that explanation. Very choppy. All right, so you'll see here in this example. What is the difference between x plus 1 over x squared minus 6x minus 16 and x plus 1 over x squared plus 6x plus 8? We're still going to have to follow the same method as the addition, so we're going to have to find the least common multiple. So I'm going to make these into factors. So x, it's going to be x, so two numbers that multiply to give me 16, that add to get me -6. One of them is going to be negative. So I'm going to think 8 and 2. Because this is negative, the bigger number is going to be negative. And then this one is a positive 8. That gives me 6. So I'm going to go 4 and 2. And these both are going to be positive. All right, so a factor that both of these have in common is the x plus 2, and then the factors they don't have in common are x minus 8, x plus 4. Now this is my least common multiple. Okay, now let's look at the x plus 1. Keep this in factor form so I could see which one I have to multiply to the numerator and denominator. So this has those two pieces. It needs the x plus 4. Multiply x plus 4 to both the numerator and denominator minus x plus 4, x plus 2. So this one's missing the x minus 8 factor. And we're looking at x plus 1. All righty. Yeah. Trying to make sure that they're both x plus 1 in the numerator. Now I have a common denominator. I could now focus on the numerator. So we're no longer focusing on that denominator. We're going to go focus on the numerator. X plus 4. X times x is x squared. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 times 4 is 4. Minus, I'm going to put this one in parentheses because again, like I said at the very beginning, we have to distribute that negative to the second polynomial. So we're looking at x squared. 1 plus -8 is -7x. 1 times -8 is -8. All right, now looking at this, I'm going to distribute that negative. So we're going to have x squared plus 5x plus 4 minus x squared plus 7x plus 8. All over my common denominator of x plus 8, x plus 2, and x plus 4. Combining like terms, those go away because 1 minus 1 is 0. 7, 12x plus 12 over x plus 8, x plus 2, x plus 4. And remember, before I start canceling anything out, x cannot equal -8, -2, and -4. Oh, this is positive. This is, what did I get the positive here? This is x minus 8. And if you're watching this, you're probably screaming, Miss Abney, that's not a positive, it's a negative. All right. So now looking at this, I'm going to see if I could factor anything out of the numerator, clean this up a bit. And it looks like that's just where we're at. I'm coming back up just to double check my work, rationalize through my answers here. Look to make sure I'm not missing anything. Oh, it looks like it should. Let's double check our answers here. And we have it. There we go. The common error here is when subtracting polynomials, people forget to distribute that -1 when removing the parentheses. That's why it's good to keep these parentheses to make note that you do have to distribute that. Right, in the try it, they want you to simplify and subtract and add in this first one. Sorry, that took me a second because you do have to get the common denominator between all three of these rational expressions. But there you go. There's your try it, so good luck.